Homemade apple cider. This delicious homemade apple cider recipe is very simple to make in the Crockpot, Instant Pot or on the stovetop. It is very comforting and delicious, especially when weather is getting cold. Let's make it. Bismillah. 5 pounds of assorted apples. 1 orange. I'm using Fuji, Snapdragon and Honeycrisp. Washed and cut in quarters. Add all to big pot or crock pot. 1/2 cup of sweetener. I'm adding raw honey. You can add maple syrup, brown or white sugar. 12 cups of water. 1/2 tablespoon cloves. 2 cinnamon sticks. And 1 teaspoon ginger powder, optional. Cover the crock pot or regular pot. Let it simmer on low for 8 hours. Or on high for 3 to 4 hours. For best results, always simmer on low. If cooking on stove, stir in between. After 8 hours, mash all the fruit with potato masher. Note: you can always adjust sweetness by adding more water or sugar. If you don't like tartness in your cider, peeling the orange first will reduce the tartness of the cider. You can always adjust the spices according to your wish. And for best results, avoid using white sugar. Strain it through cheesecloth. Strain out all of the solids, apples, oranges, spices, pressing them against the strainer and lastly twisting the cheesecloth to extract all of their juices. Then discard the solids, or save for smoothies or use in making fruit cakes. Transfer to a sealed pitcher and refrigerate for up to 5 to 7 days. Or freeze for up to 3 months. Serve hot or cold according to your preference. For extra presentation, I like to add a few fresh orange slices and cinnamon stick. Enjoy! If you have questions regarding this recipe, ask in the comments below and kindly like, share and subscribe for upcoming recipes. And if you have tried this recipe, come back and let me know how it was in the comments. Thanks for watching.